Want stunning blooms year after year, with barely any effort? These perennials are so easy, it's like your garden is on autopilot. Let's dig in. Container gardening doesn't mean you have to replant every season. With the right perennials, you get color, texture, and joy without the seasonal scramble. And yes, they can thrive in pots just as beautifully as in the ground. Let's explore 10 no-fuss, high-reward plants that'll keep your containers bursting with life through spring, summer, and beyond. Let's start with a plant that knows how to dress up a pot without ever asking for attention. Heuchera, also called coral bells. These leafy charmers come in every shade from lime to chocolate brown, and some even have silvery veins like living lace. Their compact size makes them ideal for containers, especially as a base plant or under taller showstoppers. Even when they're not blooming, those dramatic leaves do all the talking. They handle part shade to full shade and need very little water once established. Plus, they're virtually pest-free. It's like hiring a garden stylist that never calls in sick. Next up, we've got the gentle giant of the shade world, the Hosta. Don't let its soft vibe fool you. This plant is tough as nails and stunning in pots. Hostas are beloved for their wide, rippled leaves that come in greens, blues, and variegated combos. The foliage alone can carry a whole container, but the summer blooms on tall stems are a sweet bonus. They're happiest in shade and moist soil, and they don't mind being divided every few years. In containers, they feel more curated and tidy, perfect for shaded patios or entryways. If fragrance is your love language, lavender speaks fluently. This Mediterranean beauty thrives in sunny pots and brings a cottage garden vibe with every silvery stem and purple bloom. It's drought-tolerant, deer-resistant, and beloved by pollinators. Just make sure the container drains well. Lavender doesn't like wet feet. Bonus: snip some stems to dry and tuck them into drawers or make your own sachets. Growing it in a pot makes harvest and care a breeze. Imagine a plant that's like a purple candle burning all summer long. That's Salvia nemorosa. This upright bloomer adds height, structure, and electric color to any container combo. Its blooms keep coming if you give it a light haircut mid-season, and it pairs well with almost anything, from ornamental grasses to trailing annuals. Bees and hummingbirds can't resist it, and you won't be able to either. Sun-loving and drought-hardy, Salvia is the perennial that plays hard and looks good doing it. If you're after something hardy, colorful, and super low maintenance, look no further than Echinacea. With big, bold, daisy-like blooms, this native plant is all about rugged beauty. In a container, it stands tall and proud, great as a centerpiece or vertical anchor. Birds adore the seed heads in fall, and pollinators visit non-stop in summer. It loves full sun and needs little watering once settled in. A true wildflower warrior, it adds heartland charm and serious staying power. Coreopsis is sunshine in a pot. These cheerful yellow or pink blooms bounce in the breeze like they're dancing to summer tunes. They bloom non-stop, especially if you deadhead occasionally, and they're small enough to tuck into any container. Pair them with grasses or trailing plants for a dreamy cottage mix. They're great for beginners because they forgive a lot. Miss a watering? No biggie. Poor soil? They'll thrive anyway. Coreopsis just wants to party. If you like wild color, Gaillardia is your new BFF. With fiery red, orange, and yellow petals, this flower looks like summer wrapped in a sunset. It's heat-tolerant, drought-tolerant, and blooms forever. Seriously, from late spring to frost if you treat it right. In containers, it adds movement and intensity. Give it full sun, don't overwater, and it'll reward you tenfold. Plus, it draws bees, butterflies, and admiring neighbors. If your gardening style is "forget I planted that," Sedum is perfect. Its fleshy leaves store water like a camel and still look elegant while doing it. Sedum thrives on neglect. It laughs at drought, bakes in the sun, and keeps growing. In fall, some varieties burst into color or bloom with soft pink clusters. It's great as a spiller or filler in a mixed pot, and the architectural look of its leaves makes it a standout even when it's not flowering. Nepeta is one of those plants that looks romantic, but is secretly tough as nails. With lavender blue blooms and soft gray-green foliage, it flows over the sides of containers like a living waterfall. It's long-blooming, pest-resistant, and beloved by pollinators. Also, cats do love it, so maybe place it out of pouncing range. Give it sun and a little space, and it'll reward you all season. It's one of those plants that makes you look like a gardening genius with zero stress. Last but definitely not least, Astilbe, the feather boa of the perennial world. Its plumes rise above ferny foliage like pastel fireworks in slow motion. It prefers moist soil and part to full shade, making it ideal for covered porches or north-facing balconies. Water it regularly, and it will thrive. Astilbe brings soft texture and elegance to any container mix. It's the shade queen every container garden deserves. There you have it. Perennials that don't ask much, but give back in spades. Try one or mix a few in your containers this season. Your future self will thank you.